This is a folder of artwork I sent to Oxford University Press in September 1986. And today I'm going to show you the artwork for Lydia and the letters. Oh. Here we are. And there's this little series here, all photocopied up to show printers and everyone else where the text should go, all that kind of thing. I'm just really sort of impressed by the technical detail of all this sort of stuff, which is all just done on the computer now, but then it was all done cutting things out. This is the cover, and it has this overlay with photoset lettering on there, and it has little blue lines and marks and things like that, telling you what size to do things. And it also has these little bits of Chinese on here, which are instructions from the Hong Kong printers. They've all got printed in Hong Kong. Sorry, they're building next door. They've got their grinding machines out. So this is the cover. And I've said before on this, you can click up here for the playlist and you'll see on the other ones. This was my first book, so I just thought I'll do the titles. And they obviously liked them, whereas nowadays they go, get rid of that. we do that properly on the computer now. So that's page 13. Oh, these are all back to front. And this is the title page, and you can see I'd originally done the lettering for that, and they no, don't want that. So it's been crossed out. But they're keeping the quality in the Class A letters. And then there's another overlay with the typesetting on there. Oh, photo set. This was a really expensive one. I can see that, and I can feel it as well. This has got that lovely wax. So if ever I did the typesetting, cut and paste, I'd be using cow gum, which is this stuff in a tube in a little flat thing, and you scrape it on the back and stick it down. And this has been done with a lovely wax thing, so you could get these really cool machines. I think hot wax or something, anyway, and you stick a little bit of artwork and come out the other side with this beautiful bit of wax on the other side. You can just stick it down, and oh, I always wanted to play with one of those. I never ever did get to use those. So this is page 2 and 3. Lydia is posting letters and emptying out the box. And this is the type setting on top of it, which is all hand-drawn stuff, again on an overlay. And she posts them high and she posts them low. And she posts them all day long. And this is the big wide one, which is where the staples are, so that you can have a full page spread without worrying about that. And then they have lunch. Mum says, where are my letters? But Lydia can't remember. And she looks high and she looks low. They can't find them anywhere. Mum says, never mind, let's have a cup of tea and some toast. And so when she opens up the toast, the bread bin, there are the letters. Well, originally this story was inspired by my niece Lydia, who posted a hot cross bun, and a hot cross bun is an Easter treat. So it's like a toasted tea cake. It's a bun that sort of brown. You cut it in half, toast it, and put butter on it, and it's sweet. It has kind of currants and sultanas and things in it. Very delicious and kind of cinnamon flavour. So this is back in 1984 or something. I was writing these stories, 83. So she posted her hot cross bun into my brother's brand new, this is 1984, like first ever video recorder, because her favourite programme was Postman Pat, and she was used to putting Postman Pat videos in. So she wanted to play Postman. And what do you do with a hot cross bun but post it in your video recorder? And they were very surprised when they pressed eject and out came a hot cross bun. So anyway, so the original version of this story was with a hot cross bun. And my editor said, I don't think we can be allowed to allow that, because you'll be encouraging children to do it. And then we'll get parents saying, you made our children put food in our video recorders, so you're going to have to pay for the repair. And I do remember there was some almighty snag in the end, probably the end of life of my brother's video recorder. And so we opened it up to see if we could, I think the tape had got snarled or something, see if we could get the tape out. And inside there were crayons and buttons and all sorts of things. So kids, eh? So I'm going to put that back in there. Lydia and the letters, page 1 to 16. Put that in at the back. And next time, if you click up here, look on the playlist, I'm going to do Lydia and the ducks. Thanks for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to the Shoo Rayner drawing channel and keep coming back for lots more artwork, illustration kind of videos. In the meantime, keep drawing, pasting up and doing artwork. And I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.